In the world of endurance racing, where power, precision, and pure adrenaline collide, one machine reigns supreme: the BMW M8 GTE. Today I will take you on a journey as I will try to unveil the untamed spirit behind this iconic racing masterpiece. The story begins with the birth of the BMW M8 GTE, a machine forged on anvil of competition, developed by a team of engineers, designers, and racing enthusiasts. It represents the culmination of years of research and innovation by BMW Motorsport. BMW's legacy in motorsport is a tale of triumph and perseverance, from the iconic M1 Pro car to the legendary BMW V12 LMR. Each step forward has pushed the boundary of engineering and performance. To create the M8 GTE, the design process began with aerodynamic simulation and wind tunnel tests, fine-tuning every contour to silence through the air like a predator. Under the sleek carbon fiber body lies a symphony of mechanical geniuses. The heart of the BMW M8 GTE is a twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers a thunderous roar and unparalleled power. What is going on, guys? And today we're gonna be building a BMW M8 GTE. As you can see, this is the RC assembly model kit, DIY series, scales 1 to 18, assembly plastic model kit, 66 pieces and 8 pieces, which is going to be stickers and some other stuff. We have remote control, we have servo, motors, and all of the parts and pieces that we're going to need to build this car. Although this kit meant to for 8+ or 8 years and older, not younger, I'm still counting myself as a child since I purchased one of those guys here. As of why did I get this one? Basically, I wanted to have a setup of some sort of setup when I making a video, to have something on the background that is related to what I do. Not in particular case, but that's going to be kind of distraction in the background, and it's going to be related to some of the videos that we're going to be doing in the future. Although we're still going to talk about the history of BMW M8, especially GTE, what competition it was, basically how it ends up in the market and how it been built, what was the idea of the BMW, of the manufacturer, to create this car and why they did it anyway. Particular model came from the Raystar, which is pretty respectful company for the kids toys and for the models. They have huge variety of models. Particular one claimed as BMW official licensed product, which is really cool because scaling and the actual exterior or the look of the car is really close, and BMW approved it. So that's another reason why I got the particular one. It's not expensive, it's $50. Let's open the box and see what kind of parts do we have. This kit does not require glue or anything to basically set the pieces together, but rather it's like a Lego. You're just assembling and popping one into another, connecting, and that should be it. So we have some wires, we have some connection. I guess this is the LED lights. The particular model gonna be with lock differential. We have our generic remote, control box, and suspension. So more accessories, and we have the actual body, which looks pretty stunning. And especially if we're gonna put some stickers on it, will be pretty darn nice. So no further ado, let's get into work. I'm probably gonna do time lapse. Not much to explain because it's like straightforward. You just follow the guide and do the work. So yeah, B26 and B27. The BMW M8 GTE is a racing car produced by BMW Motorsport, the motorsport division of the German automobile manufacturer BMW. The car is based on the production version of BMW 8 Series, and it was first unveiled at 2017 Frankfurt Motor Show. The development of BMW M8 GTE started in early 2016 with the aim of compete in the FIA World Endurance Championship, IMSA WeatherTech Sport Car Championship. The car was designed and built at BMW Motorsport headquarters in Munich, Germany, and it was tested extensively at various racetracks around the world. The M8 GTE is powered by 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbocharged engine, which produced 592 horsepower at 7,000 RPM. Also worth to mention that the engine code was P63/1, 90-degree V8 twin-turbocharged, as we mentioned already. Position is front and it was mounted longitudinally. The motorsport variant is a S63 motor, found in road-going BMW models such as the F90 M5, as well as the BMW 8 Series or G15. The transmission was used as X-Track 6-speed sequential semi-automatic with electronic actuated pedal shifters. The car featured a lightweight carbon fiber chassis, which was the monocoque with safety roll cage. The car weight is at 1,250 kilograms or 2,756 pounds, including driver. The BMW M8 GTE made its racing debut in January 2018 at the 24 Hour of Daytona, where it finished in 7th place overall. The car went on to compete in several other races that year, including the FIA World Endurance Championship, where it scores its first victory at 6 Hour of Fuji. In 2019, the BMW M8 GTE continued to compete in both the FIA World Endurance Championship and the IMSA WeatherTech Sport Car Championship. The car achieved several podium finishes, including a second-place finish at the 24 Hour of Daytona. In 2020, BMW Motorsport announced that it would be retiring the BMW M8 GTE from competition after just 3 years of racing. The decision was made due to changes in the regulations on both the FIA World Endurance Championship and IMSA WeatherTech Sport Car Championship, which made the car no longer liable to compete. Despite its short racing career, the BMW M8 GTE will be remembered as one of the most successful racing cars produced by BMW Motorsport. Its innovative design and advanced technology helped to push the boundary of endurance racing, and it still remains a favorite among motorsport fans and BMW enthusiasts alike. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I did. It was fun to work on this project, even if it wasn't the real car. Eventually I will do something similar with the real car, with the real M8 GTE. I know where I can find one that actually you can set in. Might be not to the point of you can set it, but you definitely can have fun with it, as of taking a B-roll shots and then creating something more realistic. Overall, with this approach, I'm planning on doing more similar style content that I'll be doing with the real cars, since kids plays with the toys and bigger kids plays with the bigger toys. In any case, if you did like the video, subscribe, leave me a comment below. I do respond to every single comment, maybe not immediately, but eventually I do. After all, I'll see you in the next one.